Hellebore, also known as the Christmas rose, was first referenced in the 18th century because of its resemblance to a single-petal rose. The botanical name is Helebores. Helebores are not related to the rose at all, but are actually a member of the buttercup family. The foliage of hellebores is evergreen, and there is no need to trim them back in the winter. They may even bloom when covered with snow when the temperatures are right. While the black roots are considered poisonous, the flowers and stems are safe to handle. Hellebores are tough, low-maintenance flowers that prefer dappled shade. They're even deer and rabbit resistant.